US President Donald Trump on Monday said he has imposed the 25% tariff on goods from countries with commercial ties to Iran, a move that could put pressure on Tehran as anti-government protests enter a third week. Trump said on social media that the tariff was effective immediately, without offering details on what constituted doing business with Iran. China is among Iran's largest trading partners, along with the United Arab Emirates, India, and Turkey. The new tariff comes after Trump threatened to intervene militarily if Tehran killed protesters. White House officials said on Monday that military options, including airstrikes, were still on the table. And the UK will bring into force a law which will make it illegal to create non-consensual intimate images following widespread concerns over Elon Musk's Grok AI chatbot. Technology Secretary Liz Kendall said AI-generated pictures of women and children in states of undress created without a person's consent were not harmless images but weapons of abuse. X had previously said anyone using or prompting Grok to make illegal content will suffer the same consequences as if they upload illegal content. It comes hours after Ofcom, the regulator and competition authority for the UK communications industry, announced it was launching an investigation into X over deeply concerning reports about Grok altering images of people. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Cameron White.